Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all captures on your Roblox app to free up your space. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can join one of the games on Roblox, and as you can see, I have joined Grow a Garden game. And after that, we're going to click on this Roblox menu. Okay, and then we're going to go to the captures. Okay, and these are all my captures on Roblox, and you can see the description here. Capture storage. Roblox uses your app storage to store captures, and then you can delete captures to free up your space. Okay, and if you want to delete all your captures, you can click on this gear icon, and then you're going to click on select all. Okay, now all the captures have been selected, and then we can click on this icon to delete all. But I'm just going to cancel it guys because I don't want to delete all my captures. If you want to delete one by one, you can click on the captures that you want to delete, and you can click on this icon. Okay guys, and that's all the way to delete all captures to free up Roblox space. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!